Hi. So this video is going to be about tracing. A lot of people don't know a simple trace. So this one I'm going to show you with the yellow carbon paper. For painting etc. we prefer using the yellow carbon paper rather than the blue carbon paper. Simply because it's very light on the paper. So our paints can easily cover any flaws or something that we make. So you just simply place your yellow carbon paper and what you want to trace over it. Use masking tape on 2 or 3 sides so that your paper does not move. Now you can take a sharp pencil or a ballpoint or whatever just to simply trace it out. Here I'm going to show you how we're going to trace out. So I'm applying little pressure and there will be a faint yellow line down below. This tracing can be done on canvas as well. There's no issues on the the surface that you're using. I'm just feeling where I've already traced. Just in case you forget, you can just feel around it. Okay, now my tracing is done and I'm just going to take a peek if it's visible. In case it's not, I'm going to trace over it. So my tracing is done here. I'm going to show you there's another way of tracing in case you don't have the yellow carbon paper. How are you going to trace them? I'll show you on the same carbon paper. So this is my sheet that I want tracing. Now I'll take the thickest pencil I have, a 6B or an 8B, whichever one you have, you use. So I'll take out my 6B here. And I simply create my own carbon by scribbling behind it. So you can see where your your drawing is that you want. Make sure it's nicely covered. Double it, triple it as much as you want. So basically your drawing has to be covered behind. So if I had less idea on how much my bird area is covering, I would have probably covered the entire space. So my carbon on my sheet is ready. Now I'll take a fresh piece of paper and I again place it in the center, what I did earlier, with nothing below, and I put my masking tape. Taking my sharpened pencil and I repeat the hoop. Again, I'm applying slight pressure, and if you apply more pressure, it will just become dark. I'm just showing you how it's coming. I've just done the bird, and now since my paper didn't move because of my masking tape, I can continue with this one. Just checking if everything is done. Yes, I'm good to go. Hope this video was useful to you. Take care.